The world of inventions is becoming more challenging and incredible each day, especially when it comes to must-have roof innovations. If you don't believe us, we invite you to stay and see for yourself. In the bustling neighborhood of Brooklyn, New York, home to more than 2.7 million people by 2020, 74 times the population of Monaco, is home to an amazing innovation, Eagle Street Rooftop Farm. Located atop a 3-story warehouse, this impressive urban farm transforms a seemingly limited space into a $557 million green oasis. Yes, you heard that right, but we haven't even talked about what makes this invention truly impressive. This revolutionary project not only provides local residents with a variety of fresh produce, such as herbs, cabbage, radishes, and honey, but also promotes agricultural education and volunteerism. With a focus on sustainability, the Eagle Street Rooftop Farm is capable of growing over 30 different types of produce. It even has a chicken coop that adds a unique touch to its operations. Eagle Street Rooftop Farm is not only a shining example of how technology and innovation are transforming urban agriculture, but also a showcase of how underutilized building spaces can become centers of production and learning. Integrating building technology and innovation growing techniques that optimize space use in densely populated urban environments. Looking for a solution to keep your home cool in the summer and dampen the winter? CoolSpin solves your problems. These solar-powered attic fans offer an environmentally friendly and efficient alternative for climate control in your home all year round. CoolSpin features an innovative design. The solar panel is integrated directly into the fan housing, making it shockproof and extremely durable. It's totally crazy, but we haven't told you the best part yet. Although its power is modest at 24 watts, it's enough to keep the aluminum blades in constant motion, expel hot air in the summer, and fight moisture in the winter to prevent mold. In fact, the manufacturer claims that the CoolSpin is 100 times more efficient than many other fans on the market. It's also easy to install, even on sloped roof tiles, and comes with a lifetime warranty to ensure its reliability and durability. With CoolSpin, you're not only investing in an efficient ventilation solution, you're investing in technology that respects the environment and enhances the comfort of your home. And that brings us to the Brevis Promina series, an evaporative cooling system designed to provide effective relief in hot and dry climates. This innovative system works in 4 simple steps that ensure a cool and comfortable environment in your home. Hot air intake. The system's built-in fan draws in hot air from the outside. Filtering and cooling. The hot air passes through wet filter pads. Some of the water evaporates, cooling the air. Fresh air distribution. The cooled air is efficiently distributed throughout the home, providing a refreshing environment. Improved heat efficiency. The hotter the outside temperature, the better the Brevis Promina series performs, maximizing its efficiency. Unlike traditional cooling systems that use Freon, the Brevis Promina series makes it easier to add water to the system, which is safer and easier. It also helps improve indoor air quality by refreshing the environment every 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring clean and comfortable air in your home. With the Brevis Promina series, enjoy an efficient and environmentally friendly cooling solution that turns heat into comfort. In the field of construction and sustainability, green roofs have established themselves as an innovative and effective solution. From 1986 to 2009, the city of Stuttgart, Germany accumulated a green roof area equivalent to several football fields, demonstrating the growing interest in this environmentally friendly technology. Sempergreen excels in this field, operating successfully from Canada to Australia, and is a clear example of how businesses can thrive in this sector. Want to hear some of the benefits? Green roofs block up to 80% of sunlight, significantly reducing air conditioning costs, and provide an extra layer of protection that can extend the life of the roof 2 to 3 times compared to traditional roofs. In addition, they can contribute to social well-being by improving the urban environment. Neighborhoods with more greenery tend to have less aggression, violence, and vandalism. However, installing green roofs presents significant challenges, such as ensuring perfect placement of the waterproofing membrane and managing rainwater with storage blocks. Despite these challenges, the trend toward green roofs continues to grow, driven by their many environmental, economic, and social benefits. Imagine a roofing crew is ready to work, but suddenly rain interrupts their plans. Instead of packing up and abandoning the project, they can use the roof umbrella, an innovative solution that provides protection in just half an hour. This special umbrella not only protects the roof and workers from the rain, but also provides shade when the sun is scorching, so work can continue uninterrupted. Want even easier access? The roof umbrella includes an extra ladder, and manufacturers suggest adding lights for added convenience during nighttime hours. If the team needs to take a break when it's raining, they can simply lower the umbrella from the roof. In addition, the canopy provides an excellent advertising opportunity, as the large surface area allows for the display of a phone number, logo, and promotional messages about the crew, increasing visibility and company recognition. You can't talk about rooftops without talking about antennas. And today we want to highlight the Antenna's Direct Clear Stream model. This antenna is designed to pick up UHF and VHF signals from over 70 miles away. In terms of frequencies, it covers a UHF range of 470 to 608 MHz and a high VHF range of 174 to 216 MHz, ensuring exceptional signal reception. But when it comes to quality, we're just getting started on the revolutionary features. The Antenna's Direct Clear Stream comes with a 20-inch mast and swivel base for easy installation and adjustment. In addition, the seller offers a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing a secure investment. This model is ideal for rural areas where signals may be harder to pick up. Its design, which interestingly resembles the number 28, also adds a cultural touch, as the number 28 symbolizes good luck in Chinese culture. Priced at $160, the Antenna's Direct Clear Stream is an excellent option for those looking to improve signal reception in remote areas. Astronomy is experiencing a true revolution for enthusiasts thanks to equipment like the ASTRO-RES. This observatory, which currently adorns the University of Milan, is not exclusive to institutions. Private enthusiasts can also acquire one, as long as they have $70,200 and a sturdy roof capable of supporting its considerable weight. The ASTRO-RES dome, with a diameter of 10 feet and a weight of 700 kilograms, is a key component of the system. The ASTRO-RES package includes not only the impressive dome, but also an advanced telescope that promises high-quality star observations. And that's not the most important detail of this invention. Users can precisely control the telescope from an Eagle PC running Windows, which is included in the purchase. This PC allows the rotation and focus of the telescope to be adjusted, allowing for a deep and detailed viewing experience of the night sky. This equipment is designed for those who want to take their passion for astronomy to new heights. With the ASTRO-RES, enthusiasts not only gain access to state-of-the-art technology, but also enjoy a complete and personalized astronomical observation experience from the comfort of their own home. Budget permitting, the ASTRO-RES offers a unique opportunity to explore the universe in a professional and exciting way. If you're looking for an efficient way to heat your pool, Solar Pool Supply is an excellent option for a newly built pool. These solar panels are specifically designed to raise the water temperature, which can extend the swimming season. The installation of the system can vary depending on factors such as the length of the swimming season and the size of the pool. For example, a high-end kit capable of heating a 32 by 16-foot pool typically costs around $4,200. The solar panels are installed on the roof, but the innovative mounting system minimizes connection points, making for a cleaner and more efficient installation. In addition, the panel design is wind-resistant, ensuring good performance even in areas prone to strong wind gusts. The flexibility of the panels allows them to easily fit around obstacles such as air ducts, ensuring a hassle-free installation. With these features, Solar Pool Supply provides a practical and durable solution to keep your pool at the ideal temperature for longer. When it comes to rooftop safety, KeyGuard stands out for its excellence. Its primary goal is to prevent accidental falls through the installation of highly effective guardrails. Recognized in the industry for their quality, these guardrails are modular and fit almost any flat roof, including those with slopes up to 5 degrees. KeyGuard's versatility is remarkable, as it is compatible with a wide range of roofing surfaces, from asphalt to membrane. Customers have the option to customize the color of the guardrail using the REL color palette, allowing for aesthetic integration into the environment. In terms of strength, KeyGuard guardrails are robust. A section as small as 12 inches can support over 200 pounds. An outstanding feature of these guardrails is their ability to be installed without direct attachment to the roof membrane, simplifying installation and reducing the risk of damage to the roof surface. With KeyGuard, safety and functionality combine to provide an effective and adaptable solution. Many users appreciate solar trim panels for several compelling reasons. While there are many benefits to installing solar panels, there is often a gap between the panels and the roof that can become problematic. This gap can attract animals such as squirrels and rodents that can damage the wires, or birds such as pigeons that can nest and cause disruption. In addition, debris such as leaves and branches can accumulate in the space, causing further problems. Solar trim provides an effective solution to these problems. These aluminum grills are installed around the edges of the solar panels, creating a protective barrier for the roof. Installation is simple, requiring no screws or rivets, and the grills are durable to match the life of the solar panels themselves. In addition, the trim can be easily cut with metal shears for precise, hassle-free customization. With solar trim, you can keep the area around your solar panels clean and free of potential problems.